Today we visit Grandma?
Yes, today is Grandma's day.
Are you ready, Jenny? Yes, I am ready. Let's go. Jenny, wait. What, Mommy? When we visit Grandma, we must be
Polite.
I know. Say please and thank you.
Please and thank you, yes.
Speak quietly inside Grandma's house.
Like this?
Yes, just like that.
And Jenny, one more thing.
What, Daddy?
Don't run inside Grandma's house.
Don't run inside Grandma's house. Okay, Dad, I will walk.
Good girl.
I have a gift for Grandma.
Oh, what is it?
A drawing. I drew our family. Grandma will love that. Daddy, how long?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes is very long.
It is not long, Jenny.
Mommy, what is Grandma like?
Grandma likes flowers and quiet.
And me?
Grandma loves you the most. Good morning, Grandma.
Very good, Jenny.
Good morning, Grandma. How are you? Good morning, Grandma. Perfect. Just like that.
We are here.
Jenny, remember walk, not run.
Walk, not run. And be polite. Relax. Smile. Is this okay? Oh, my family is here.
Good morning, Grandma. How are you?
Oh my, so polite. Come in. I made lunch.
What did she make?
I don't know, but say thank you. Here is some tea.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Mommy, can I see the pretty things here?
Yes, in a moment, sweetheart.
What is that?
That is a very old vase, Jenny.
Sorry, Grandma.
It is okay, you can look, but please do not touch it.
Why is it special, Grandma?
Your grandfather gave it to me.
Oh.
I will check the food.
Jenny.
Lunch is almost ready.
Grandma, I almost knocked your vase.
But you did not knock it.
I am sorry, Grandma.
Jenny, you told the truth.
Telling the truth is polite.
Polite means kind and honest.
Kind and honest.
Please sit down.
Everything smells wonderful.
Thank you. I cooked all morning. Try it, just a little.
Oh, this is good.
You like it?
Grandma, thank you for the food.
You are very welcome, Jenny.
It was delicious.
She is so well behaved.
Grandma, I have something for you.
For me?
I drew our family. For you.
Oh, Jenny, this is so beautiful.
That is you, and that is us.
I can see that, yes. I will put it here, next to our family photo.
Really?
Yes, so I can see your family every day.
Grandma loves my drawing.
Look at them.
Jenny did so well today.
She really tried.
She really did.
Thank you for everything, Grandma.
The food was wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, Grandma.
Come back soon, my dear. Drive safely.
Goodbye, Grandma.
Goodbye.
We will visit again soon.
Daddy,
Yes, Jenny?
I like visiting Grandma.
Me too.
Mommy, I was polite today, right?
Yes, Jenny, you were very polite.
Even when I almost knocked the vase?
Especially then.
You told the truth.
Grandma said being polite is being kind and honest.
That is right.
Not just please and thank you.
Not just please and thank you.
And Jenny, Grandma was very happy today.
Because of me?
because you showed her love and respect.
I want to visit again. Can we visit Grandma every week?
Maybe not every week.
But we will visit again soon.
Good. I will draw another picture.
Jenny, today you learned something important.
What did I learn, Mommy?
Respect means caring about the people you love.
And about their things.
Yes, especially about their things.